Hi there, I'm Jules from thisstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our green olive chimichurri, I've got the 200 grams of green olives, just about 7 ounces, that I've pitted. You could buy pre-pitted ones if you like. You only need about 150 grams. So to pit them, I just squish them with the side of the knife and then just cut and pull the seed out, pit out, goes in. Then I've got the olives, got 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and you get in a clove of garlic. So again, just remove the ends and squish it with a knife. And skin comes off easily, and that can just go in. So we're going to blend this up. Then I've got a small bunch of parsley here, so I'm actually going to chop this finely because I'm going to use my stick blender to mix this. And stick blender is great for blending, but it just doesn't seem to chop herbs that well. So I'm going to chop them fairly finely here to start with. If you're just using a regular blender, the regular blender or a food processor, you won't need to, you can just chuck them in quite coarsely chopped. Okay, so we'll get our herbs in. So that's half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to pop in a couple of 4 tablespoons of water, and off we go. Okay, and then when you've got like a chunky kind of pesto-y sauce like that, we can get the stick blender out and just have a little taste. You'll probably find it's salty enough from all the olives, but yum, that's amazing. I'm going to give it just a little bit more lemon juice though. Lemons really vary in acidity level, so you need to just taste and see if it's sharp enough. So for a chicken, I wouldn't normally cook more than 1 chicken thigh fillet at a time, but I didn't buy enough, so I need more for another recipe. So I'm just going to do a demo here with just 1. So I'm just going to cut it into thirds. And if you like, you can take the fat off. I'm going to leave it on because this is some really nice pastured, free-range, organic chicken that cost me an arm and a leg. But I'm happy to pay for good quality. So I'll leave the fat on. What I'm going to do is just bash it out, so it makes it, tenderizes it, and it just makes it cook. So essentially we're making chicken minute steaks. So it just cooks so much quicker. So I'm using my potato ricer, but you could use a small saucepan, or you can do it with your hand if you like. It would be less dramatic. Or if you've got a meat mallet, that's good too. So we're going to bash it out, then just give it a good drizzle of oil. So oil the meat instead of oiling the pan, and get some salt on. And I've got my pan heating up on a really high heat. Okay, so my pan's nice and hot. I can see it's starting to smoke, so I'm going to get my chicken in. I'm going to cook it on this high heat for a minute and a half on each side. The chicken's had 2 minutes on the first side and a minute on the second side, so I'm pretty sure it's cooking nice and cooked. If you're a bit nervous about it, you can always cut into it to make sure. And then I'm just going to pop that on a plate, and then I'm going to cook my beans. So I've just got a big handful here of beans that I've just trimmed I've left the bottom stalks on, but I've just trimmed the top stalks. So we're going to get them in the pan and just add a splash of water. And that just helps them, the steam just helps them to cook. I'm just going to cover them and let them cook for a minute or so. And then we'll serve the beans with the the green chimichurri and the chicken on individual plates. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.